So this is the second part of the trigonometric chapter, that is trigonometric ratios of the standard angle, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And this is the table to find out the trigonometric ratios of standard angles like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So let us understand a shortcut method to remember these values. So let's get started now. So let us understand a shortcut method to find out sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. So this is a finger method. So first you write the values, that is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. So now in the numerator you have to write root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3 and root 4. And denominator you have to divide by 2 everywhere. So root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2 and root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. So now we have to do the evaluation. So root 0 by 2 is 0. Root 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is root 2 and 2. So it get cancelled and you will get the answer as 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is root 4 by 2, that is root 4 is 2, 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So this is the shortcut method. So this is the table to remember that. So what we have to do is first you write root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3 and root 4 and divide the numerators by root 2. So sine 0 value is root 0 by 2, that is 0. Sine 30 value is root 1 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2. Sine 45 value is root 2 divided by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 divided by 2, which is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 value is root 4 divided by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Now let us understand the shortcut method to find out the cos standard values, that is cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 and cos 90. In this shortcut method, we have to write it in reverse order. So first you write root 4, come in the decreasing order from root 4, then root 3, then root 2, root 1 and root 0. And divide the numerator by 2 everywhere. So root 3 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 0 by 2. So root 4 by 2 is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Root 3 by 2 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. And cos 45 value is root 2 divided by root 2. It get cancelled and you will get as 1 by root 2. And cos 60 value is root 1 is 1. So it is 1 by 2. And cos 90 value is 0. So in this shortcut method, just you have to write the numerator from decreasing order, root 4, root 3, root 2, root 1 and root 0 and divide the numerators by 2. So cos 0 value is 1, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, cos 45 value is root 1 by 2, cos 60 value is 1 by 2 and cos 90 value is root 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. So now let us understand the trigonometric ratios table for the standard angles. So for the sine 0, value is 0, sine 30 it is half, sine 45 it is 1 by root 2, sine 60 it is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So once you remember the sine value, all other values are very easy. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. For finding out the cos value, write the sine value in the reverse fashion. So just come in reverse fashion to get the cos value. So see here. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So for the cos, you just have to come in the reverse fashion. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. So once you know sine and cos value, writing all other trigonometric ratios is very easy. So sine is nothing but, tan value is nothing but sine divided by cos will give you tan value. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is obtained by dividing sine and cos. So root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled and you will get as 1 by root 3. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and tan 45 value is obtained by dividing these. So 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 get cancelled and you will get tan 45 as 1. And tan 60 value is obtained by dividing sine and cos. So root 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get root 3 by 1 which is equal to root 3. And tan 90 value is obtained by dividing 1 by 0. So 1 divided by 0 is infinity. Now to obtain the cosec value, so cosec is 1 by sine. So take the reciprocal of sine value. So cosec 0 is 1 by 0, that is equal to infinity. Cosec 30 is reciprocal of sine, that is 2 by 1, that is 1 by 2. You have to write the reciprocal, that is 2 by 1. And cosec 45, take the reciprocal of this, so root 2. And cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60, so it is root 3 by 2. Write it in reverse fashion, 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 value is 1 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So cosec is just obtained by reversing the value. Taking the reciprocal values of sine, you get all the values of cosec. And to obtain the sec value, sec is 1 by cos. Take the reciprocal of cos value. So sec 0 is reciprocal of 1 is 1. Sec 30 is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. And sec 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is root 2 by 1. So sec 45 is root 2 by 1. So sec 60 value is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So sec 60 is 2. And sec 90 is 1 divided by 0, that is equal to infinity. So all the sec values can be obtained from taking the reciprocal of the cos values. Now let us see how to find out the cot value. So cot value is obtained by taking the reciprocal of tan value. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So tan cot 0 is infinity. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. 1 by root 3, it is root 3 by 1. That is root 3. And cot 45 is 1. So tan 45 is 1. Even the cot 45 is reciprocal of 1, which is 1. And cot 60 value is reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And tan 90 is infinity. So cot 90 is 1 by infinity. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. So just by knowing one sine value, we can obtain all other values very easily. Now let us understand how to write the value. So sine 0, just if you remember the sine value, you can write all others. So sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. So after writing the sine value, you can write the cos value. Just write it in the reverse order. So sine 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. So once you know the sine value, just write it in the reverse order to obtain the cos values. And tan is obtained by dividing sine and cos values. So tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is root 3. And tan 90 is infinity. So once you know these sine, cos and tan, it's very easy to write sec, cosec and cot value. So now let's write the cosec values from the sine values. So cosec 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity. For cosec 30, take the reciprocal of sine 30. So it is 1 by 2, so it will become 2. Cosec 45 is reciprocal of tan 45, that is root 2 by 1. And cosec 60 is the reciprocal of tan 60, sine 60, so it is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now we can write the sine sec values from the cos. So reciprocal of cos, so it is 1. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 1. Sec 45 is root 2 by 1. That is root 2. Sec 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. So it is 2 by 1. That is 2. and sec 90 is 1 by 0, that is infinity. And cot values can be obtained from the tan values. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3 by 1, that is root 3. Tan 45 and cot 45 are reciprocal. So cot 45 is reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Cot 60 is the reciprocal of root 3, that is tan 60 value. So that is 1 by root 3. And cot 90 is reciprocal of tan 90. So that is 1 by infinity, that is equal to 0. So it's a very easy method. So once you know cos sine value, all the cos value can be written just by taking the reciprocal. So 1 by 0 is infinity. For cosec 30, take the reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is 2 by 1, that is 2. Cosec 45 is reciprocal of sine 45, that is root 2 by 1. Cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60, so reverse it, 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is the reciprocal of tan 90, so that is 1's reciprocal is 1. For the cot values and sec values are reciprocal. So sec 0 is reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is a reciprocal of tan cos 45, that is 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 1. Sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. And sec 90 is the reciprocal of cos 90, so 1 by 0, that is equal to infinity. And all the cot values can be obtained by taking the reciprocal of tan values. So cot 0 is the reciprocal of tan 0, 1 by 0 is infinity. Cot 30 is reciprocal, take the reverse, 1 by root 3 by 1. So that is cot 30 is root 3. And cot 45 is reciprocal of 1 is 1. And cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan 60, that is 1 by root 3. And cot 90 is the reciprocal of tan 90. So that is 1 by infinity, that is equal to 1 by 0.